What's up everyone, mga chong at mga chang? Thank you for tuning in. This is Albert, your tactical Sintito, and welcome to another episode of Tito Tips. Welcome to another EDC review. Well, not quite, it's not exactly an EDC review, pero we're gonna be featuring gears ng isa sa ating mga subscriber. Tatago na lang natin sa pangalang AJ, Sir AJ. Joke lang. Yun talaga ang tunay niyang pangalan, AJ. Thank you sir for granting my request na i-feature yung mga gear mo sa channel natin, and really appreciate it. Pero bago lahat, intro muna tayo. So the main reason for this episode is because I want to establish connection dito sa channel ko and to the EDC community. And also consider this as my way of expressing my gratitude to you guys. The way of saying thank you for all your support na ever since nagsimula ako ng channel ko. Hindi pa naman malaki yung channel ko, no? Konti pa lang tayo subscriber. Pero I really appreciate yung time na binibigay nyo para mapanood yung mga episode ko. And we are bonded. We are being bonded by this passion in EDC and fragrances. At sa inyo na nag-subscribe, maraming salamat po. And if you still haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button right now para tuloy-tuloy lang ang pasok ng video. I also wanted to create awareness that this community exists. Kung tatanungin mo yung 100 taong kakilala mo, almost 10% lang ang nakakaalam kung ano talagang EDC, or at least yung meaning ng EDC. And I want to share and propagate this mentality that we have, the anticipation that any time or any moment, especially in case of emergency, magagamit natin kung ano yung mga dala natin. And also, I want to share your passion to be known and bring it to a different platform. That's why meron tayong mga ganito. I have always wanted to do this. About mga 3 months ago, nagtanong-tanong ako sa mga tao sa community, especially mga active na madalas nagpo-post ng mga EDC gears nila. At marami sa inyo ang nag-reply, which is I'm very grateful for. Pero konti lang talaga yung nag-comply kasi, di ba, for safety reasons, or siguro camera shy lang sila, and I don't hold it against you. In fact, I'm very thankful na pinagbigyan nyo ako for answering my questions. At isa sa napagtanong ko about mga bagay-bagay about EDC ay si Sir Mindy Alberto, the CEO and the founder of Bolo Handcrafted EDC, na nagbigay sa akin ng wallet na to. At kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung review nito, ilalagay ko sa link sa baba. At meron tayong 10% discount code, I believe is still active, kaya order na kayo. Okay? So maaba yung kwentuhan namin, and one of the things that he shared to me is an acronym, WIPKIT, right? W stands for wallet, na araw-araw natin dinadala. Hindi tayo lumalabas ng bahay kung wala tayong wallet, no? Horology or watches. Instrument of writing. It could be pen, it could be pencil. Depende or conforme sa gusto nyo. Phones, of course, sa era na to, hindi na nawawala ang cellphone, hindi na natin nakakalimutan yan. Keys, yun madalas natin kalimutan at madalas nating nawawala. Keys. I stands for illumination or flashlight or torch, and T, which stands for tools, which covers knives and multi-tools. And the reason why I picked AJ's gears is because I like it. Not very minimalist, pero malinis, napakasimple. I like the way he presents it, and I also like yung rotation niya. So silipan natin si Sir AJ. What's in his pocket? Silipan talaga. So makikita natin, starting from the far left, meron siyang Rib Umnumzaan na left-handed. Matagal ko na nakikita to, pero tinutuan ko talaga yung review nito. Yung review ba yun? Or yung nung na-feature to sa channel ni Peter McKinnon. Right? Kung hindi nyo kilala si Peter McKinnon, siya yung YouTuber yun siya. He's one of my mentor. No, he's one of my inspiration in making videos. Kasi napakagaling talaga niyang gumawa ng videos. Balik tayo sa Rib Umnumzaan. This is one of the most sought after knives in the community because of its durability, build, reliability, and beauty. Tingnan mo naman kung gaano kaganda yung knife na yan, ba? But the only downside is it's expensive. $500 US dollars. At pag dito mo siya binili sa New Zealand, it costs around $750. So, not including yung shipment. So, ganun siya kamahal. At syempre, kaya meron siya ito because he uses it for cutting, slicing, stubbing, peeling, and frying. Maybe not. Oh my God, itong kamahal na knife. I don't think gagamitin mo to for frying. And of course, he uses this para picturean. Because why not? Then next to it, he's got a big idea design dual click titanium pen. And mind you, this is not a tactical pen. I'm not a fan of tactical pen. but it can be treated as one. If you see it as tactical pen, then it's a tactical pen. I actually consider getting this one because it's got a dual side click mechanism. I think the patent is still pending. Okay, this is fully adjustable, and when it's adjusted to its full size, it accepts over 100 refills without any hack or modification. O saka pa. Diba? Auto-adjusting collet to minimize tip wiggle. It's got a solid metal construction, and also it comes with a titanium Damascus pocket clips na available depende kung gusto nyo, diba? And next to it is a Vero engineering fulcrum, which includes 2 screwdriver bits secured by special rubber rings. And next to it is a Reylight mini pineapple powered by 2 AAA batteries. It looks simple but it's actually programmable, and it comes with a rechargeable 10880 lithium-ion battery and built-in micro USB charging port. O, diba? At syempre, titanium pa rin. Titanium. Next to it is Schwarz Scalpel. I don't know kung na-pronounce ko siya ng tama, no? Which functions as a mini fixed blade. So meron siyang Magna Cut steel ship-put blade with a stone finish. It's got a jib handle for precise handling, and it comes with a natural leather sheath. Okay, cool. At ang pinakauli sa picture na to ay ang Koch tool P.O.S or pry of sorts. A 3-in-1 tool made of titanium that includes a pry tool, a bottle opener, and a screwdriver. Okay. At sa susunod na picture, nandito din yung mga ilan-ilan na nakita natin doon sa previous one. But this time, it has a leather carry and a wallet by Bricks Kapati of MB Leather Crafts. Sir Bricks, baka naman. Meron siyang Lionsteel Bestman 2, an Italian double blade. It's also got a Victorinox mini champ na green Alox. Meron ding Rovyvon Aurora A3 green as his extra flashlight. Okay, meron din siyang Key Unity cap lifter. Attached to it is a glow Rhino Trithium glow fob. At kung makikita nyo yung wallet niya, meron itong customized or specialized na logo. Ang cool ng logo ni Sir. So basahin natin yung letter ni Sir AJ. Medyo maikli lang to. Sabi niya, started carrying gears in my pocket noong 1998. Niregaluhan ako ng uncle ko ng 2 Victorinox. O, di ba? Sana lahat ng uncle nagre-regalo ng 2 Victorinox. But who knows, di ba? As Sir Tito, baka malay nyo, magparapol ako one of these days. Diba? So, tutok lang kayo. Okay, it was a huntsman with a black scale and an executive with a black scale din. Then my aunt gave me Maglite 1 cell na AAA. Incandescent pa daw nun. Mga 2 lumens lang. 2 lumens but still usable. Yung huntsman, di ko dinadala kasi it's too cumbersome sa pocket. So I carried the executive and Magnalite daily. That was on his 3rd year high school to college. O, diba? Aga nagsimula natin, sir. Unfortunately, gaya ng iba sa atin, nawala raw siya nung isang field trip nila. From then on, lagi na akong may Victorinox and Magnalite AAA. Okay, di ko pa alam yung term ng EDC nun. Gaya ng marami sa atin, no? Lately ko lang nalaman ng 2012 about the term and how big the EDC world pala through video sa YouTube. Started carrying dedicated pocket knives naman nung nag-duty ako as a first responder kasi need sa trabaho ko. Cold steel yon, triad lock para ambidextrous kasi lefty ako. Then dagdag na doon yung pen and some sort of cap lifter or pry bar kasi nasubukan ko na natanggalan ng knife tip kasi ginamit ko for prying. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Then slowly, nag-grow yung taste ko sa mga item na dinadala. Okay? From color matching to materials matching. Titanium ang preferred ko kasi lightweight and tough. Later, na-discover ko naman about lefty knives, so I had to get a couple of lefty knives, but I like fixed blade more kasi outdoorsman ako. Ako. And that's the story. Well, thank you, sir, for sharing your story. At kung meron sa inyo ang gusto pang magpadala ng mga pictures nila, picture natin sa channel na to para lumaki tong community natin, right? So, dyan na muna tayo magtatapos. Thank you so much for staying with me until this point. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, syempre, click mo yung subscribe button and like this video kung nagustuhan mo, syempre. Pwede rin kahit hindi mo nagustuhan, like mo na rin. Right? And share this all throughout the EDC community para lumaki lalo yung influence natin at para makita ni YouTube algorithm na we are the boss. Right? Once again, this is Albert saying, nothing smells better than a good character. And aside from that, always be thankful and thankful. And always remember, whatever you're going through, carry mo yan. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!